student, welcome to a brand new video. So this video is going to about a comparison between Presidency University versus Jain University for a particular course called BCA, one of the most popular courses BCA. So I am going to cover their establishment, NAC grading, placement, fees and their reputation, everything. So first of all, I am going to start the establishment. So Presidency University established in 2013 and Jain University established in 1990. Then the NAC grading. So Presidency University holding only A plus NAC grading, and in the other hand Jain University holding A plus plus NAC grading. So this NAC grading, as you know, is the most high NAC grading. Then the campus. So Presidency University has a huge campus, around 60-acre campus. You will get to see 60-acre, but their infrastructure, I mean the campus, is still under construction. They are not having modern labs, which is most necessary for BCA courses or technical courses. So campus is not so much good. Their classroom is too much old. Their faculty is not good. Their faculty, some of the faculty, I mean the most of the faculty still just completed their UG courses. They are not having any master degree, or some will be there who completed master degree. So their education or quality is not so good. Campus is also not so good. So here I am giving 6 out of 10. And in the other hand, Jain University, so as you know, Jain University has multiple campuses for management courses, textbook courses, multiple campuses are there, and they are having multiple campuses. Their campus is around 60 to 70 acres. Then the labs, so the university already have modern infrastructure, modern labs, modern clubs are there, modern libraries are also you will get to see. So easily I can get 9 out of 10 compared to Presidency University. Then the known for, so Presidency University basically known for their management courses, and in BTech also this university is popular. So I can write BTech. And Jain University is also popular for their management courses. MBA, BBA, from also popular in Jain University. Then the courses. So in BCA, what is the specialization they are offering? So both are offering same kind of specialization, 3 to 4 specialization, 3 to 4. BCA General, BCA, AI and MA, BCA Data Science, same kind of specialization from both universities. Then the fees. So for BCA in Presidency University, around 4 lakhs you can complete your BCA degree, and in Jain University you can complete your degree 6 to 6.5 lakhs. So it will depend on the specialization. And in Presidency University also, in between 4 lakhs you will complete all the specialization. BCA General, the fees will be around 3.5 lakhs something. Now comes to the placement. So Presidency University, their average placement 4 to 5 lakhs, and their highest goes up to 10 to 12 lakhs. In the other hand, Jain University, their average placement 6 to 7 lakhs, and their highest goes up to 15 lakhs. Now the scholarship, so both are having same kind of scholarship, merit based, need based, sport based, financial based, same kind of scholarship around 5 to 6, and here also you will get to see 5 to 6 specialized scholarship. Now the conclusion. So if I talk about the reputation, so this is world, this is India, and this is Bangalore. So Presidency University is only reputed in Bangalore, and Jain also in Bangalore also they are reputed, and in India also they are reputed, and they have some collaboration with some abroad university. So there is not a huge global reputation, but they are having some global reputation. So here I am writing for that Jain also having some global reputation. So now the main thing, if we are looking for a college which has global reputation, fees, affordability, I can say that average will be 6 to 7 lakhs. If the lowest will be around 4 to 5 lakhs. That's it. So here in presidency, your fees will be less than Jain University, but you will not get that much reputation, that much modern labs, which is more important for your BCA and degree course. You have to know labs, how you have to do coding and all something. So for the fees also, fees are affordable. The placement, one more student I have talked with him personally. So he got the placement in after completing a BCA degree for 2 lakhs. He got the placement. So as West you will get around 2 lakhs placement. Their placement is not also good in presidency. Their fees are affordable, but their placement is not so good. And their infrastructure is not still completed. Their faculty is not good. Their education quality is not good. So why you choose BCA degree in presidency? You have other options. You can go with Jain University. And if you are thinking that you will complete BCA around 3 to 3.5 lakhs, if you want to complete your BCA degree, multiple options you have like DCM University, Rice University, MS Ramai University is also there. MS Ramai Institute of Technology you have. So there also you get global reputation, modern lab, the education quality you get. So you can choose that type of university rather than President University. Jain University is also a good option for you because their average placement is so good regarding their fees. What is your opinion? You can comment below. In my opinion, as I said, you should choose Jain University than Presidency University. Presidency University not so much good. As you can see, their nationality is only A+. Jain University they are having A+. Their fees are affordable, but their placement it is 4 to 5 lakhs. But their median will be 2 to 3 lakhs. So their average salary is not so good. So what is your opinion? You can comment below. Thank you for watching.